What is going on YouTube world? I'm your brother Reza and this is KRT Life, KRT Life with the Y. Like, subscribe, comment, and all those types of things. In today's vlog, I will be repairing the front door speaker on the 2005 Lexus, not Lexus, what I'm talking about, Toyota 100 Series Land Cruiser coming up next. I don't know what made me just say Lexus right there, but this will also work on a Lexus 100 series, as I've been told. So what is the issue that we're trying to fix today? The front door speaker, the passenger side door speaker on our 2005 100 series Land Cruiser was rattling and making the overall acoustic experience in the 2005 less than stellar. And if the acoustic experience in this video is less than stellar, you're gonna have to forgive me because I had to come down into our basement to film this part and I can hear the echo in the room. So anyway, what did I have to do to try to repair this speaker? Well, first thing I had to do was pull it out of the car. And when I reinstall it, I will show you guys how to take the door card off of the Land Cruiser, which is very, very easy. And it takes about 4 or 5 minutes to pull the door card off. One of the easiest I've ever had to do. So when I pulled the speaker out, it looked like this. Now, around the edge of the voice cone, there is a baffling rubber type material that holds the speaker centered within the magnet so the voice cone can vibrate and generate sound. Now, that piece, when I pulled the speaker off, was pretty much 100% deteriorated. So after that, I was like, I wonder, is it possible to repair the speaker surround or the voice cone surround on this and bring the speaker back to life? So I went to the Google machine. And after I got to the Google machine, I found this little kit right here on the Amazon, however you want to call it. And it's made by a company called Sibley Speakers. And they sent me this kit right here. I had to pay for it, but they sent me this kit. And this kit is for a Toyota/Lexus JBL speaker. Now, when I open this thing up, you can see it says JBL right there. When I open this kit up, I got instructions, which are always nice. I got an invoice. I got 2 new voice cone surround materials. I got adhesive and an adhesive applying device. But I started looking at this piece right here and I was putting it on here and I was like, man, that can't be right. Like, this gap is crazy if you can look in there and see. I was like, what is the deal here? Well, if you refer to the back of the manual, RTFM, it says remove the plastic trim around the voice cone. And I was like, okay. And I was like, what are they on about? And it was this piece right here. So this piece, when you pull the speaker out, it's attached, it's glued on. And after some prying and messing about, I finally got this piece to come loose. And when this piece came off, then I was able to finally see in all of its glory how the new cone surrounding material fits on here. So there's a notch, as you can see right here at 12 o'clock. And if you turn your speaker to match, you will see right there at 12 o'clock, there's a notch that aligns with that notch. And you can pretty much just put this piece on like so, and line it up. And there you have it. You will have a repaired speaker for your Land Cruiser or LX470. But that's not all there is to this now. It doesn't just stick on automatically, unfortunately. That would be actually mega awesome. You have to, first of all, you have to clean the surrounds and the contact points properly. All right, I found some rubbing alcohol. I didn't want to take the risk with this nail polish remover. All right, so here we go. We're gonna try to do this repair real fast. So the first thing we need to do is pull this trim bit off. That's gone. And now we're gonna try to remove any remaining foam around this piece and around the actual frame of the speaker to get the best adhesive qualities when we go ahead and reinstall this voice cone surround. This part of the repair definitely makes a little bit of mess, so you're gonna have to definitely have your vacuum on standby if you're gonna do this inside your house or prepare to feel the wrath of your significant other for messing up the new coffee table. All right, now what I'm doing is I'm literally taking my nail and I'm going around the edge of this remaining foam and trying to pull all of it off that I can with my fingernail because I don't want any of this stuff to impede the new surround from adhering to the voice cone. All right, here we go. We're almost on the home stretch. What we're going to do now is go ahead and apply the adhesive and set our new speaker surround in place. And you want this thing to be nice and centered. Balance is the key here, so that when the voice cone goes up and down, it doesn't hit the inside coils, or the I forget what it's called, but it doesn't hit the inside of the magnet. You want it to go up and down, nice and smooth and balanced and even. All right, so how we're gonna do that is first we're gonna flip this upside down like so, place it on here. And we're gonna take the adhesive that they supplied with the speaker on this side so y'all can see this a little better. What we're going to do is apply this, a bead of this around the perimeter, like so. And we're just gonna work our way around. We're gonna try not to put too much. All right, there. So that is on. Now flip this around the other way, like so. Mind you, in that 12 o'clock position up there that I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Let this sit like that. All right, you gotta carefully do this. Now, I just noticed as I went around here doing this, as the glue starts to harden, you gotta carefully just kind of like run your finger around here and like make sure that the voice cone and the surround remain in some state of contact. And as you go around the orbit like that, it will gradually start to harden and make the adhesive will start to work, and it'll start like sticking better. And now I just need to leave it for an hour and let it cure, and then I need to do the outside pretty much the same way, and the outside should be much easier than doing the center. And then after I let that cure for an hour, then I can go ahead and reinstall this in our 100 series and have some beautiful sound. All right, we just took some time to clean up the area. It's been about 30 minutes roughly, and this cone seems to be pretty dry, but it says let it dry for an hour to let it fully dry. All right, the last piece is to put this little, whatever this extra curricular piece of surround was, back on here. So first thing I'm gonna do is make my table dirty again and clean up the edge with the razor or any other straight edge. All right, here we go, final stretch, and then we're gonna let this thing sit probably overnight to let everything dry thoroughly. So what I'm gonna do is take the adhesive one more time, go around the perimeter one more time, and then I'm going to go back to the 12 o'clock position, which is indicated by that little tab right there. I'm just calling it a 12 o'clock position, just for frame of reference. And then I'm going to align that with the 12 o'clock position on here, which is here. And then I'm gonna take it and plop it on and let it sit overnight and dry. So here we go, me doing that. All right, and we are done with the refurbing part of this video. So the next thing we're gonna do is let this thing cure overnight, and then we're going to reinstall it back into the 100 series Land Cruiser. And then hopefully we get some great audio out of this thing once again and save a lot of money. How about that?